Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the VCRuntime and MSVCP140.dll files missing for Fall Guys. So it's a very simple fix, so let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your browser and you're going to put in this link which I've given in the description below. So you just go to that link and you will get you'll land on this page, Microsoft page, where you can download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Okay, so you just click on English, download, and then you have two files here. Make sure to check both of them. So and just click on next and it will start downloading. So once the files start downloading, just install them and your error should be fixed. This is because both of those DLL files are in this package. So once you install this, it should resolve your issue. So if you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.